Okay, so I just opened up Bambu Studio this morning, and you can see Bambu Studio version 2.53 is available for me to download. So you see that they have the profiles for the X2D now, of course the H2D Pro and H2C. But I wanted to show you also right now they actually added functionality for the color gradient that everyone has been talking about on I think it was the U1 can do it and some other ones, but that's not really what this talk is about. As you can see, we're talking about the filament switch track module. So as I mentioned yesterday in my short, they released this yesterday as it was kind of like a sub 10 for the X2D. But you can see right now it says it supports the H2C and the X2D, not the H2D yet. But again, I'm pretty sure it's going to just be another firmware update. So as we go over to the web page for Bambu Labs, I just wanted to show you, you can go and search for actual filament track switch module. And once you do that, you should be able to purchase this. Now, again, this is one of those things where it was announced, but it wasn't announced as a bulletin, as a headline bulletin with respect to the X2D. So you can see right now the filament track switch module is running for $60. You can see it also says that right now it doesn't support the H2D or the H2C, but you can see by this release notes for 2.53 that it now does support the H2C and the X2D. So again, I always try to recommend people whenever I see some of these items that are going on sale on Bambu site, try to pick them up as quickly as you can before the resellers grab them up. So you'll see right now with the filament track switch module, you should be able to have two AMSs, and you don't have to worry about that issue with the filament. What do you call it? It's off the top of my head. The filament saving portion, because with the filament saving portion, you'll be able to use either one of your AMSs on either one of your tracks. So that should be handy for this. I wish they could actually have. We can use both all your filaments on one, but that's here nor there. So what I wanted to show you also is you can see with respect to the package list that comes with it, but this is the holder pieces that you're going to have to be able to print. So you'll print these holder pieces as well as this tube, and you can go to Bambu site. Once you go to the filament track module, you can see this entire video, but you can see how this is actually positioned. I wanted to show you how it kind of attaches to the back of your H2C or your X2D or your H2D for that matter of fact. You just have to wait for that to be supported on the next version of Bambu Studio. But you see they have this little tube that fits into the back of your AMS, and then the PTFE tube goes into the back of your AMS like before. But this little tube kind of gives it a less of a bend once it goes into the filament track switch module. So you'll see again that you'll be able to actually use both sides, the left and the right nozzle, without having to move your filament over to like your HT or whatever the case may be. Right now I have two AMSs and some HTs on my H2C. But what I was just reading, I didn't kind of go into detail yesterday, but I was just reading that you have to actually set this up. You have to use some sort of sync function in order for this to work.